Welcome and thank you for coming back for another hair video with me, Honey J. Today's topic is pre-pooing. And no, this has nothing to do with any restroom preparations. Pre-pooing is what is done before you shampoo your hair, hence the name pre-poo. It's done by treating your hair with oils or conditioners before you wash, and today I'm gonna show you my routine and tell you about all the benefits. So as I take my ponytail out, you will see that my hair is crusty. It is stiff and I couldn't even part it without loosening up my hair with my comb. So this is one of the things that the pre-poo will help with. It helps break down that product buildup, and it'll also soften your hair for better manageability. It'll add moisture and help with the detangling process. All of these good things lead to less breakage, and less breakage leads to more length retention. So I'll be using grapeseed oil, which is a good moisturizer, as well as a heat protectant because I'll be blow drying later. And I'm also going to use extra virgin olive oil, which is good for stimulating hair growth. I'll mix them together and fill this bowl up about halfway. If you wanted to, you could heat your oil up like in the microwave and then apply it to your hair. But I'm going to apply it to my hair first and then cover it and blast it with a blow dryer later. Heat is an important factor in this case because you want to open your cuticles. Just like warm water opens the pores on your face, heat will open your hair cuticles, allowing the oil to penetrate. So getting into the process, you want to begin by sectioning off your hair. I'm going to section off in 4 parts, but you may need 8 for thicker hair or 2 if you have thinner hair. Another benefit of pre-pooing is this oil is going to protect your hair strands from the harshness of shampooing because that can be a little bit rough on our hair. So I go through and I take some time finger combing my hair. I'm pulling out all of my shedding hair, all of the dead hair. I want to lessen the stress on my drain when I wash my hair, and I rather have dry strands of hair stuck all over my fingers versus wet, if that makes sense. I kind of have this grossness with wet hair and I just don't want it on me. So trying to tone down that process by doing it like this. But dip into your oil, go ahead and apply it from your ends up towards your roots. Be thorough with it. And you want to make sure you're coating the ends of your hair because healthy ends can make or break any hairstyle. It usually takes me like an hour to pre-poo my hair, but that's because I'm going in, I'm taking my hair strand by strand, making sure I'm coating all of my hair in oil. And you can see I am being heavy on the oil by the greasiness of my hands. So don't be afraid, get that oil in there, massage it. The warmth of your hand will begin to work with your hair and the product to help that penetration start before you cover it and before you use the blow dryer. Don't forget those shorter pieces in the back or wherever you have them. I have some up front too. But once that's complete, I'm going to just twist it down, showing my ends some extra love. And then I will move on to the next section, starting with detangling and pulling the shedding hair out, and just repeating the process until my whole head is complete. Showing you a section of my color damage hair here, and then I'll pull some from the back just to show the difference in what virgin hair looks like versus colored hair and how the frizz and the split ends can look different. And when I put this Pre-Poo on my hair, I noticed how well my right side took to the moisture. You can see my curls popping in, a little more curl definition than the left. That is so interesting. If you've got two grades of hair and you know what they are, please let me know down below. And is it front to back for you, or is it left to right like mine? Let me know down in the comments. So once that side is complete, I'm gonna move on to adding oil to my parts, and I'm gonna add lots of oils to my parts and massaging it in. Now, I hope that y'all don't judge me for this, but if you do, oh well. I thought I had shower caps before I started this video, but when I went to go get my shower cap, there were none left. So I had to get a little bit creative. You'll see what I'm talking about here in a second. Comment below if you've ever had to do what I'm about to do for your hair. Place your shower cap on your head and loosely tie your scarf on or put a bonnet on. What you want to do is create something to capture the heat that you're going to put on your head and kind of hold it in. Now, I use my blow dryer on low setting for like 1 to 2 minutes. Please do not burn yourself doing this. Move it around, or if you have one of those big heaters that you can sit under, use that. That would be better. But I'm going to do this for now, again, just for 1 to 2 minutes. And then I am going to leave the cap on my head for 15 minutes. Once the 15 minutes of heat is up, I'm going to go in and wash my hair with my Suave Professional shampoo. I did just wash it one time and I was focusing in on my scalp, cleaning out the rest of the product that was in there and taking my time with that. And then I moved into using my conditioner. I applied it at the root and I'm just working it down to my ends. It is important that you condition your hair every single time and focus on those ends, because that's what this is all about. We want our hair to look healthy and look good, and it starts with healthy ends. And then while my conditioner is still in there, I'm going to go in with my wide tooth comb and detangle it all. I was really loving the results that I got. Here is an up close of my hair after I styled it. It really is as soft as it looks. I hope that you guys can tell. But there you have it, you guys, my pre-poo routine. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like, comment, and share. I'll have more videos for you soon. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.